My name is Shuki Likvornik and I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing of Erkon, Resistors and Inductors. I'm already more than 20 years in the field of electronic components, having experience with some big global companies. Resistors are the most common electronic components in printed circuit boards. It seems as if they are simple components, but the truth is they are very complicated and sophisticated. Hong Kong is one of the places where resistors are produced. They are produced all around the world, like in Germany, USA, Thailand, China, Israel, Malaysia, Japan, France, Philippines, Taiwan, India, and many others. And now, also in Russia. Why Russia? Because of the advanced technology. Erkon is using advanced manufacturing, which takes advantage of both advanced technology and manufacturing technology to improve processes and products. Main technologies are thick film and thin film. Because of the sophisticated production using best-in-market raw materials. Because of the state-of-the-art equipment, Erkon is using new and specifically designed machinery for production. A few expansion steps have been made and some others are planned for the near future. Because of the skilled employees having special skills, training, knowledge, and ability in their work, majority of the employees have attended college, university, or technical schools. Why Erkon? Because of the quality. Erkon products quality is well known in the market and compatible to the leading RF resistors manufacturers in Europe and the US. Because of the service, we're happy to service our customers, big and small, in a professional way, trying to assist wherever possible. Because of the price. So, what is the price? Not the worldwide lowest, but always competitive. Erkon is one of those companies still believing the price and service are important, and people will not buy anything not having them. But still, quality stands on a higher step in this hierarchy. Erkon promotes an environmental policy focusing on environmental issues as one of its top management priorities. Some of our leading products are RF power terminations and resistors, high voltage and high ohmic value resistors and dividers, axial-leaded resistors, power resistors, RF chip inductors, current sensing resistors, electropyrotechnic initiator chip resistors, thick film chip resistors, and thin film chip resistors. Our agility is the advantage of our customers. We try to be flexible by making special parameters, for example, outside E-series resistance values, assisting in lead time emergencies, producing small batch sizes, working with the customers on special designs and demands. At the moment, we are supplying to customers in Asia, Europe, and North America. Future plan is to expand customer base to worldwide distribution. Thanks for your attention. See you in the next movie.